this next row, I want to reduce this edge circumference, and I want you to watch carefully. So I'll single crochet into the first stitch. Into the next 2 stitches, I'm going to make a reduction. Now 1 single crochet into the next stitch. I'll be making 2 together. This process will give your edge circumference a bit close, you get. I made a tutorial on how to make this beautiful dress you are seeing on your screen right now. So I'll be using the leftover yarns to make a bucket art that will complement that dress. If you are yet to see the tutorial, kindly check out my YouTube channel and go and watch and recreate the
Welcome to Little Feet.
So I'll be using 4mm crochet hook for this bucket art, and I'll be using this my leftover regular yarn. I'll also be using scissors to cut off yarns and tape measure to measure, and also tapestry needles to weave in necessary ends. So let's get started. So for this bucket art, I'll be starting with a magic ring. I'll make a chain 2, and into this magic ring I'll make 12 double crochet. Remember, this chain 2 does not count as a stitch, so I'll be making 12 double crochet in total. 3, 4, 12. So I'll put this strand of yarn and close the ring tightly. Next is to slip stitch on into the first chain 2 that we made. So that's our first round, chain 2, and into each of the stitches I'll be making 2 double crochet. 1, 2, 1. Next is to slip stitch to close the second round and make a regular chain 2. Now we are going to be making 1 double crochet in the first stitch and 2 double crochet in the next. 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 2 double crochet in the following stitch. So this is what we'll be following till we get to the last stitch, and I'll come back and show you what to do next. Next is to slip stitch into this first stitch. That is our chain 2. Chain 2. Now into the next row, make your first 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Into the third stitch, you are going to be making 2 double crochet. So 1 double crochet first, 1 double crochet second, and 2 double crochet in the third stitch. Next is to slip stitch and make our last row of increase. So 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, 2 and 3. 2 double crochet in the 4th stitch. So 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, 2 double crochet in the 4th stitch. So this is how I'll continue till I get to the last row. So at that last row, last stitch rather, I'll come back and take the measurement so I can show you what it looks like and what to do next. So this is the last row of our increase. Now let's take the measurement. So we have 5 inch for the crown of our hat. So this is our 5 inch, which is perfect for a baby of about 3 months to 6 months. Now next is to make a repeat of 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. 1 double crochet in each of the stitches for about few rows. So I'll continue making this 1 double crochet till I get to the last stitch. I will slip stitch and repeat my 1 double crochet. So I'll come back and show you how many rows I did and next to do. Slip stitch. So I've made a total of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now I'll be making chain 1. This next row I want to reduce this edge circumference, and I want you to watch carefully. So I'll single crochet into the first stitch. Into the next 2 stitches I'm going to be making a reduction. Now 1 single crochet into the next stitch. I'll be making 2 together. I'll make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next 2 stitches I'll make 2 together. So this is how I'll continue making it till I get to the last stitch. This process will give your edge circumference a bit close, you get. Look at it. Now let's continue. Make your chain 2. Now into this first stitch I'll be making 2 double crochet. Next stitch I'll be making 2 double crochet. So I'll make 2 double crochet in each of the stitches till I get to the last stitch. Look at it. So I'll continue making my 2 double crochet in each of the stitches. So I'll come back and show you what to do next. Now slip stitch and let's move on to the next row. Chain 2. Now into this first stitch I'll be making my 1 double crochet, and into the next stitch I'll be making 2 double crochet. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet next. So this is how I'll continue till I get to the last stitch. Now let's slip stitch and move on to the next and last row. Let's make a chain 2. Now in each of the stitches of this last row I'll be making just 1 double crochet in it. So we'll be making only 1 double crochet in each of the stitches till I get to the last stitch. Clip stitch and cut off your yarn. At this point, this is what you should have. Now, also use this pattern to make an adult size. All you need is just to increase the crown of the hat and also the length. Next is to weave in all our ends. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, to this channel, kindly do so now, and don't forget, I also made a baby dress that you can use just 3 balls of yarn to recreate. Do well to watch and also make yours. And I also have a tutorial on how to make a matching bag. You can just use the color of the dress you are making to recreate the bag. So I'll be seeing you in my next video. Look at how beautiful it is. And look at the brim. So I'll be seeing you in my next video. Have a beautiful day.